Hello all and welcome to this channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about sunscreen or sunblock and how to protect your skin from the sun. The sun is a wonderful source of warmth and light, but it also emits harmful ultraviolet rays, which is also known as UV rays, that can damage your skin. Sunscreen is your secret weapon to guard against this damage. In this video, we will discuss what the sunscreen is, its types, how to choose the right one, how to use it, and its do's and don'ts. So first of all, what is sunscreen? Sunscreen is a lotion, a spray, or a gel that you put on your skin to shield it from the sun's harmful UV rays. These rays can cause sunburn, premature aging, and even increase the risk of skin cancer. Now here are some types of sunscreen. Type number 1 is broad spectrum sunscreen. Look for this term on the label when you are going to buy a sunscreen or sunblock from the market. It means the sunscreen protects against both UVA and UVB rays, which can harm your skin in different ways. The type number 2 is SPF, also known as sun protection factor. SPF indicates the level of protection. Higher number means more protection. SPF 30 is a good starting point. Type number 3 is physical versus chemical sunscreen. Physical sunscreens contain minerals like zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, which act as a barrier on your skin. Chemical sunscreens absorb the sun rays and convert them into heat. Now, how to select the ideal sunscreen? First of all, consider your skin type. If you have sensitive skin, look for a sunscreen which is labeled as for sensitive skin, or you can check the SPF. Choose an SPF that suits your skin type and the amount of time you will spend in the sunscreen. Or even you can select the sunscreen on the basis of its water resistance. If you are swimming or sweating, you must opt for a water resistant formula. Now, how to use sunscreen? Apply the sunscreen gently. Use enough sunscreen to cover all exposed skin, including your face, neck, and ears. Put on more sunscreen every 2 hours or right after swimming or sweating. And don't forget the sunscreen to be applied to some specific parts of the body, like often people overlook places like the back of the neck, ears, and the top of feet. Here are some contraindications of sunscreen. If you have allergies to certain ingredients present in the sunscreen, avoid them. And be cautious if you have specific skin conditions and consult a dermatologist. Here are some indications. Use sunscreen every day, even when it's cloudy outside. UV rays can penetrate even clouds. Apply sunscreen when you are going outside, whether it is for a short walk or a day at the beach. In a nutshell, sunscreen is like a shield for your skin against the sun's harmful rays. Choosing the right type, using it correctly, and being aware of any contraindications are key to keeping your skin safe. So, slather on the sunscreen and enjoy the sun safely. So this is enough for today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.